What is that? What is that, Uncle Michael? You know what that is?
It's a safe.
Woo! Nice. And that was a great $5 unit. Ooh, pirates, here we are. We're about to go through another unit, $5 unit. The reason I bought this is nobody wanted it and I couldn't pass it up. I'm about to open the door and I'm gonna show you why I bought it for $5. Before we do, I wanna say, don't forget the like button. That's the thumbs up, looks like this. You hit it once, twice, 3 times, 4 times a charm. And share this video any way possible. Next time you go out and you go to get your newspaper and a man's about to come and he delivers it throughout the window, stop, sir. You need to watch the Storage Auction Pirate. Then grab your paper, tell him thank you, go on about your day. And don't forget to say something kind and nice, like, Uncle Michael, your hair looks good today. Something like that.
Always looks good.
No, Uncle Michael, your hair does not look good every day.
Got to shave or waiting on you at nothing but time. You're always late.
Always late.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is what we got today. Door number 34.
Ooh, you're a poet, Uncle Michael.
Door 34. Let's see why he bought it. Oh,
What?
God.
Doesn't look that bad, actually. For $5, you know where I bought it? Right there. That bike. I don't know what kind of bike it is, but they got a bike rack, and I thought to myself,
Someone's full apart and got their TV, got their both their beds.
oh yeah, look at that. We got a TV. I didn't even look at the unit.
Beds are nice.
Oh, you know what really made me buy this? And I think they're wrong, but you know what made me buy it? They said there was military paperwork in here. So my thought was maybe this was a military trunk. I think they could be wrong because I'm not smelling like this is a military person's unit, but they said there's something about military paperwork. Like this don't have a lot of value. Got a lot of baby stuff. Oh, Uncle Michael, look at this. Probably want to take some of this home, don't you think? To have a look at it.
And let them, you know, yeah, we'll see how it goes when we get it.
What do we got here? Oh, throw up emoji. I like when they just throw their stuff everywhere. Broken ones too, huh? Kitchen stuff. You want some gloves? Is your nails dirty, Uncle Michael? What's that?
Box cutters.
This is a freaking Halloween pumpkin stuff, he says. Box cutters.
Oh, that's a box cutter. Pumpkin cutter.
Fishing pole, Uncle Michael. When's the last time you went fishing? Remember we used to do that all the time when I was younger. All the time we used to go fishing.
I've been thinking about it lately.
This is a good one right here.
After this wedding. What makes on it?
I don't know, Johnny Mathis? That's a good reel though. You ever use these kind?
Yeah, right.
Cast it right here in the parking lot. It's a button. This is the kind where every time I cast them, I wind it all up.
What did I just do? Hit? I don't even know what I hit.
You just unlocked it, I guess.
Shit, what's this guy? Oh, wow.
Oh, did you backlash it?
Relock.
See?
Oh, there's what it is. I see what
Uncle
it
Michael's
is.
like, I'm a professional.
This is a nice pull.
All right. Did you backlash it?
No, perfect.
Look at that.
This is a nice little reel.
I always backlash them. That is a good one.
about this one. That's the thing that feeds it back and forth,
Yeah.
so you don't have to do it with your hand.
That's nice.
Just
Darn yeah.
it pretty much is.
Wow. Real quick before I go any further. Ooh, a Jordan box. Got receipts. It looks like Aldo shoe stuff. Do you smell gold in here, ladies and gentlemen? Smell it. Go. Do you smell gold? Here you go.
Want no more.
No?
Infants. Babies. Not no.
No more. All right, put it back in here. Really cute. Looks a little small for her.
I know. We do.
This is how they packed this one. This one I had to go fast. It's time for a Home Depot box.
So I knew what size this stuff was. Yeah.
It's good stuff. They're gonna gobble this up.
Yeah.
Nice.
Don't like that happening.
Nice. What is this looking like?
It's the frickin'
broken iWatch, sadly. We got toys. What is that? What is that, Uncle Michael? Do you know what that is?
It's a safe.
Woo! Nice. You just heard me shake it. I'm gonna go ahead and throw us out there. We will not open that till the end of the video. Nice. This right here, we're gonna go ahead and do this right now because it's kind of disappointing. I'm not gonna lead you into nothing, but I shook it and I knew there wasn't nothing in there.
You putting these aside? No, I'm not that kind of like guy.
Hockey gear, what do you think's in there, Uncle Mike?
Let's see. Hockey gear.
Let's see. Kind of, ooh, nice. Look at that. Some roller skates, roller blades,
glove. What's all that?
Pull that bag out. No money?
No, you didn't have nothing to check.
Hashtag don't take it personal. Did you just say you saw Jeremy find gift cards and now you're looking for gift cards?
Him and his wife were doing it. She had a stack,
George,
he had a stack.
his girlfriend?
Yeah, him and
There.
George.
He's waiting for George to propose to him.
They had Home Depot. They had the whole shebang.
Shout out to you, Jeremy. Obviously, Uncle Michael's
Starbucks.
paying attention. George and Jeremy's watching your videos at What the Hales, and he's learning things. And now I'm trying to increase my profit margin. Same thing, the ones you just didn't want.
Yeah, I don't want them.
No, you won't.
I most certainly will.
No, you won't. You're not having her life. Did you find a nice watch? Passed up that. That's
Gold or
Fossil. They
Nice
named
one.
Nice. They named this watch after you, Uncle Mike.
Yeah.
Uncle Michael's in a hurry. He can't want to let us film. This is why they broke their phone, because they didn't have this on there. There we go. That's a nice 42 something inch Sharp television. That's got to be a few dollars right there. We got a HDMI. Oh, this is nice. That's funny. Look, Uncle Michael, I got you a new girlfriend.
What do you mean? It looks like you to me.
Your girlfriend. What is this? Some type of ski. Ooh, nice. No, it's too big. I thought it was an underwater compass. Dang, this gotta be worth something though. I'm coming. I gotta film them a little bit, you know. But Michael trying to rush me knows the most important part of a storage unit is the video. Look at those chairs. Those are quality. Wonder what the table. The other one is quality. We're all spinning around, moving circles, trying to rush here. Got things to do today. I mean, this is the part of the. I'm already nervous. I'm already excited. I already just want to. Hands down, even though I got them up, one of the most and probably exciting things you ever find in a storage unit is a safe. I'll just fly off the shelf. This type of stuff people want. Oh, look at this cute little vest right here, Uncle Michael. It's got hearts on it.
Vest.
Right there, the purple one. Yeah. Oh, look at that cute little sweater for like when you're trying to be all formal.
What, that white vest?
It's gonna be the same thing.
I mean, what's it say on the tab?
So far, you're seeing nothing but good stuff, sellable stuff. The furnitures, the couches, everything so far has been sellable. I want to repeat, I paid $5 whole for this unit. $5 whole. It's cheaper than a hamburger Happy Meal at McDonald's. I paid for this. Sadly, that was empty. I was buying this because they said something about military paperwork in this trunks. Or not the trunks, they said military paperwork. I'm not seeing that coming out of this unit. But so far, what do you think you're going to sell this unit? Comment below, right here. Boom, boom, comment. What you think we're going to make off this unit.
Buy some groceries.
Whoa!
It's military.
That looks military. What do we got here? What do we got here? That's hockey. That's military grade shoes. Military grade jacket. Interesting. That makes this a military unit.
It's like new.
Huh?
It's like new.
That's good. $15 right there. 10, 15. Come on, bag. Hold on a second. Well, that's one piece right there.
Yeah.
And then there's a love seat right back here.
Oh, we do?
And then there was the
Chair.
the chair. Even the mattress isn't. Do you think this is good? Oh
This is on your table. I didn't even take it apart.
my. Well,
Right there on the side.
patio table right there for the chairs. Trivial, cheap art. Couple bucks a piece there in my eyes. Very Art Deco. That's pretty cool. That is pretty cool. I like that one. What do you think, Uncle Mike?
Which one?
Right here.
This one?
Yankee Stadium.
That's nice.
That's probably like about the age you were when watching baseball at that age.
Probably a little more. Maybe.
I like this. I want the Lexus.
Is that a box or is that a box in it? Yes.
Yeah, but there's nothing in it
What's
though.
in it?
Oh, it's a kitchen box. Yeah,
Oh, they actually work.
it ain't gonna fit. But we can put the trunk and then put this upside down on top of the trunk.
Let's go on the couch right now.
How much you want to bet? $1?
Why do you want to bet? I'll bet $5 on this.
$1.
All right, let's get the
Nice little end table.
nice bike rack.
This is a bike rack from top to back of the car. It's got a little rubberized doom-a-jigger, hold your bike. Don't forget we got that bike I want to show you at the end because I think it's a good one.
Yeah, some kind of key.
Wouldn't that be nice if there was a key to the safe? Wouldn't that make things easy? Wouldn't have to break it. They drove a Lexus. Oh, it's not a floor. It's not a headboard.
A picture?
It's a piece of damn art. Can you believe that? Piece of art. That's the ugliest piece of art I've ever seen in my life. It looks like you're inside of a hot sauna. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the bike right here. It is called a Fixed D. Fixed D. We can't show personal photos, Uncle Michael.
Oh, I just think it's precious little baby.
Don't know if this bike is actually very worthy or not. I've never seen one of these. I'm gonna have to have it looked at. Uncle Michael's gonna take it for a spin. But fixie bikes are kind of good. It's a fixed Magna. Uncle Michael, you remember how to ride a bike? You gonna go bring that to Yolanda?
Yeah.
You win, you don't owe me nothing if I win.
What are you gonna do?
It's like Hungry Hippo.
What's the trick to get the left
You gotta
ball in?
get them, you gotta eat them. And then it tallies up the points. You're just cheating, you're just holding yours open. This one doesn't even.
I think his mouth's full. Mine won't take any more. Look. I won. So we'll do that.
Box broke. Try to tape it up. I was gonna take stuff out. Uncle Michael just threw everything on the ground. He told me my idea was bad.
There's a right way, there's a wrong way.
What's the right way?
The way I'm doing it.
Oh, every way you do is the right way. Whatever I do is the wrong way. Ain't that about something? Ain't that about something? All right, ladies and gentlemen, right now, the moment you've all been waiting for, the final scene of this video. Go and do what we normally do with these, and we're just gonna drop it on the ground and break. You think you can handle that, Uncle Michael?
I don't see why not.
Ooh, we got a passport. Come on, thousands of dollars.
We can make it turn them into thousands of dollars.
We can't do that, Uncle Michael.
Commit some fraud.
That's got to go back to the office. Wah, wah, wah. What's that? Uncle Michael's over here trying to clown me. I'm trying to make thumbnails. And he's over here talking about how bad my storage unit is, or my good one.
Oh, I said it's a good purchase.
Oh, I'm trying to make thumbnails over here. I like this. How about this? How about an easy one? Let me just be like. All right, enough silliness. Is that Cornwall game? Cornhole? Cornwall? I don't know what I'm saying. Oh, look at that. Professional ones. Bet you somebody buys this at the flea market. And we got chairs. Chairs. And that was a great $5 unit. Get this rebuckled in.
I'm not gonna ride the stock.
And what'd you call this?
Cattywampus.
Cattywampus. If you guys have ever heard the word cattywampus, please let me know.